Fetch AI's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above our key area of support above the 1.48 and above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which are both acting as support for us to continue pushing higher. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and on today's update video I will be giving you my next breakout target areas and also give you my long-term price prediction analysis, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that I have this Elliot structure in red, and this is an Elliot structure that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 28th of November, where you can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 1 in a move that gave us a high above the 1.576, and after we peaked in the formation of that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and having seen the low for the second wave, yesterday I said to you that I was expecting a breakout to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and I gave you the minimum target areas by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gave me my first target area at the fib ratios 1:1, and that is above the 1.708, an area that we have now fully maximized, and that means that there are high chances that this could be the high for this impulsive eddy wave count 3, and in the next coming hours there are chances we can easily see a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of this wave 4 before we can continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 5. But we also need to have in mind that this bullish momentum is still in the market, and there are chances that we can get another push to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, fully maximizing my next target area, which is the fib level 1.618 above the $1.953. That is another target area that we need to have in mind, because we can get another leg to the upside, fully maximizing the target area, then expect a pullback in a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in the formation of that Elliott wave count 5. I also want to sketch the minimum target areas for that wave 4, having in mind that this could be the high for that wave 3. If that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, we can connect the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3 that we have at the moment, and that now gives me a minimum pullback target area for the fourth wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the 1.534 and the 1.589, which is the area that I have marked here on the chart, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours, and then finally see another bounce to the upside in the formation of that Elliott wave count 5. So for now, I still expect higher prices, but in case we get any sudden pullbacks, I will not be surprised, because I'm expecting a pullback in an Elliott wave count 4. And also remember that whatever we have, that is this Elliott wave structure that I have in red, is a micro Elliott wave structure within the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3 on the charts in blue, and this is part of an Elliott wave structure that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, so a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment is an impulsive Elliott wave count 3 whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $2. So there are high chances that in the next coming hours, Fetch AI is going to fully maximize the $2 mark in the next coming hours. On the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulse to the upside that peaked above the 3.479, giving us the high for this wave 1. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the wave 2 since we have fully maximized the minimum target areas. And in the next coming days, we can start an impulse in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the $6 mark, and that will be a perfect 5x to the upside. If we manage to hit that target area based on the current prices, then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in this wave 5, possibly taking us back above the $10 and to new all-time highs. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.